In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. We'll walk through how saving works in Figma and how you can download a copy of your work to your computer, step by step. This is especially useful if you want to share a snapshot of your design, back it up locally, or send it to someone who doesn't use Figma. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to find the project or file you want to save. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files, or simply browse through your recent designs. When you've located the right file, click on it to open it in the Figma editor. Now that you're inside the editor, the first thing to understand is how saving works in Figma. Unlike some traditional design tools, you don't need to press a save button every few minutes. Figma automatically saves your work to the cloud as you go. Any changes you make, like moving elements, editing text, or adjusting colors, are saved in real time, as long as you're connected to the internet. You can usually see a small indicator at the top of the window that confirms your file is saved. This means you don't have to worry about losing your progress while you're working online. However, there are times when you'll want a local copy on your computer. This could be a page, a frame, or a specific part of your design that you want to export as an image or a document. To do this, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This opens a panel with different options related to your file. Next, select what you want to export. Click on the page, frame, or element in your canvas that you'd like to save locally. With that selection active, look over to the right-hand side of the screen in the Properties panel. Scroll down until you see the Export section. Click the plus icon next to Export to create a new export setting. Here, you can choose the file type you want. Figma lets you export as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. PNG and JPEG are great for images and mockups. SVG works well for icons and vector graphics, and PDF is useful if you want a document-style file. Pick the format that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen the file type, click the Export button. Figma will prepare your file and your browser will automatically start the download. When the download is finished, you can open your computer's Downloads folder to find the exported file. From there, you can rename it, move it into a project folder, or attach it to an email or message. And that's it. You've learned how saving works in Figma and how to export a local copy of your design to your computer.